Remember what it's like to take year-end tests? Dull questions ask you to regurgitate facts. Unengaging reading passages put you to sleep. Little opportunity to think or to reason, only to recall. In a world where facts are a click away, what good can this test do? This is a low-quality assessment, and it can be extremely damaging. In our education system, testing influences teaching, and teaching influences student outcomes. If a test is all about rote memorization, so-called drill and kill, then that same dull approach moves from test to teaching. Students get trapped in a one-dimensional experience that makes it very, very difficult to learn. School becomes a chore, a place to avoid. Learning becomes frustrating, not a source of motivation. And a system designed to set students up for success stops inspiring them to do anything other than leave the building. There's a better way. High-quality assessment measures the skills that really matter. It asks students to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively. It ensures that tests are fair and free of bias. High-quality assessment is challenging and it is engaging. It inspires students and supports high-quality learning practices throughout the system. And it gives educators the data they need to plan instruction and direct resources at every level. Most important, a commitment to high-quality assessment is a commitment to change. It is a commitment to ensure each and every student is given the opportunity for a fair academic foundation. In short, it puts equity first. If we focus on measuring the skills that matter, we create generations of life-ready students. They can compete and thrive in tomorrow's complex, knowledge-based economy. When we equip students today with the skills for tomorrow, they become lifelong learners. Welcome to the new Meridian way.